Welcome to Intellify. I'm Rasika Ramakrishna and we're going to continue the chapter on surface areas and volumes. 13.7 question number 2. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 cm and slant height 25 cm. This is subdivision 1 and subdivision 2 has height equal to 12 cm and slant height equal to 13 cm. Assume pi equal to 22/7. Right. Okay, so note that both the subdivisions give us different details about a cone, but we're asked to find the volume of the cone, right? So basically I've got to find the capacity in liters, for which you first have to find the volume of the cone. So there are two major questions now. How do you find the volume when the height is not given? And how do you find the volume when the radius is not given? Okay, so this is what we will explore in this question. So first let's begin by looking at this right circular cone. So if you look at the height and radius and the slant height, these three form a right angle triangle. Okay, so in the first subdivision you are given the radius and the slant height and you're asked to find the height, right? Actually you're not asked to find the height, you're asked to find the volume. For the volume you need to find the height. So okay, so the minute you have a right angle triangle and two sides, your mind should immediately go to the Pythagoras theorem. So using the Pythagoras theorem, you can say that h will be equal to L square root of L square minus R square. So R is equal to 7 centimeters, L is equal to 25 centimeters. So h is going to be equal to root of 25 square minus 7 square, which is root of 625 minus 49. After the calculation and taking the square root, you get h equal to 24 centimeters. Right. So now, similarly, using the same Pythagoras theorem, if h and L are given, you can say that R is equal to root of L square minus h square, right? So in the second subdivision, you're given h to be equal to 12 centimeters and L to be equal to 13 centimeters. So R is nothing but root of 13 square minus 12 square, which is root of 169 minus 144, which is equal to 5 centimeters. So right, so now finding the volume becomes a mere substitution in the formula. So let's go back to the first subdivision. Radius is given to be 7 centimeters in the question. We computed the height to be 24 centimeters. Volume is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. So substitute h and r. So you get 1232 cubic centimeters. Now let's note that 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. Why are we doing this? Because the question asks for us to express the capacity in liters, right? Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters, which implies that 1232 cubic centimeters is going to be equal to 1232 divided by 1000 liters, divided by 1000 bracket liters, which is equal to 1.232 liters, right? Okay, so in the second subdivision, we have R equal to 5 centimeters, which we computed, and H equal to 12 centimeters. So you substitute H and R in the formula for volume, and you get 314.29 cubic centimeters. So similar conversion will give you this capacity in liters. So if you divide 314.29 by 1000, you get 0.31429 liters.